This is Eric with EJ Flooring. I have another question from a homeowner that we often get, wanting to know if our tiled showers or anything that we tile has a warranty. Well, certainly I stand behind everything that we do with a workmanship warranty, and beyond that, one of the cool things about how we do our job, we have a manufacturer that stands behind us as well with a lifetime manufacturer warranty. What that means is, specifically for tiled showers, we guarantee that your shower is not going to have any leaks or defects from the waterproofing side on out. If you have any problems, you just give us a call. We're happy to come out and take a look. We can get our rep involved if we need to see what's going on. Either way, you're going to be made whole again. You pay us to do the job right the first time. That's what we take great pride in doing. If we mess up and hey, we're not perfect, we're happy to come back, figure out what's going on. We're going to make it right for you, and it's not something you're going to get a bill at the end. It's just something that we want to have repeat customers, and to have repeat customers, we got to make people happy. Be sure if you want to keep updated with our videos that you subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon to keep updated. We're going to keep posting these frequently asked questions about every week. And so stay tuned and see what next week's question looks like.